Menteri Rangba Kejala Meghalaya Konrad Kongkal Sangma habai kiran bekinong pathai kubor hadin balawai ke Jingelang. Ulaong bag sorkar kahap ban Kyntiew kepisah haka Contingency Fund kadai namar bagadan kepisah ban penlut. Nerekam syemladan pat haka jing bahak tengka bar ulaong bahaka mang tengka ya kepisah kebeladak ban mang layok ban penonkam baladak ban penlut palat ban eke kebeladak mang. Ulaong bakania kadai kekendon haka mang tengka kenang bakan ailat ban penonkam ya kepisah ya keba syemla bahak haka mang tengka. Kumta lahap ban Kyntiew kepisah bat mentah ke sorkar kan sayok pediang sa sispa Klur Tyngka na ke sorkar pedeng na kebenta ke NREGS baladep ru ban penen kamlut kepisah ke baladep mang walai kepisah ondang yok pediang syu. Konrad Kongkal Sangma uliatu bag ke sorkar kahap ban kersyan ya ke MEECL batang mentah ke senam ke sorkar keladep ban pelut palat sauspa Klur Tyngka ban kersyan ya ke MEECL bahkan lak ban beteng ya ke jing terikam jongka. Ulaong bag sorkar kedan kam ban ai kepisah sya ke MEECL bat kepisah keladon lupa bag sorkar. Nerekam syemladon pat hak jing bahak tengka. Kumta ke sorkar kelarai ban Kyntiew no ek bahak tengka jangka Contingency Fund kenang baan la ban ai kepisah ke badon sya kitrat sorkar.
The purpose is very simple, that while the money and the funds are available for us to spend, the budgetary provisions are not there. Because in the budget, the amount that was budgeted, the amounts we have spent on it, we have already spent more than what was budgeted in the budget. Hence, then we have to go for supplementary demands and all these things. And when those provisions are not there, then we go into the contingency fund. So just to explain to everybody so that we are all aware that this is basically a provision of a budgetary provision so that it will allow us to be able to spend the money which have not been provided in the budget itself. So hence we had to enhance that. For example, now we'll be receiving another 100 crores more from central government for MG and REGS. And we have already exhausted the provisions within the budget, though the funds are coming in. So to be able to allow us to spend that, we have to increase the provisions through the contingency fund. And hence that provision is being created. We also have to support, say, for example, the MECL in this year itself. Government of Meghalaya has spent and given funds of over 400 crores to support MECL in its functioning. And hence now we need more funds to be given to them, to MECL, and the funds are there with us to give, but the budgetary provisions are not there. Hence today's meeting was to increase the contingency fund so that we are able to give that budgetary provision so that more spending which funds are available can be done for the different budgets that are there.